Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021, and I am your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. So, as you know, today we're going to see a new topic. Well, a new topic because we already see something similar to this. We saw the sensory language with feel, smells, and sounds. But now we're going to see about feels, smells, and taste. Taste is with your tongue. Taste. Taste. Okay? So let's see. For feels, we have the vocabulary soft, soft, hard as a rock, hot, like a hot burrito. Ay, hot. Me quemé la boca. Hot, cold, it's an ice cream. Prickly, like like a cactus that ow. For example, imagine that this is a cactus. Oh, hi. Stuff like that. And slimy like slime, but here we have melted cheese that goes like this, like a chicle. Stuff like that. Okay. Then we have the smells. You already know the smell of sweet. Sweet smell, spicy. The fresh smell were like flowers. Stinky. Stinky. But now we have the burnt smell, like when you burn your popcorn or burn the piece of bread that goes black. That smell, that awful smell that you said, it doesn't smell good because it's burned. That has a particular smell. So that's the new word. That's the new adjective, burn. And now with taste, it's like some of them are like the smell. For example, the sweet taste, like in chocolate. The spicy taste, like in peppers. The sour means like with lemon, that you grab a lemon and you go like this because it's sour. That's sour. Wow, that you go like. And salty, means that like French fries that are salty, like potato chips, salty, all that. Or popcorn are also salty. So yeah, this is only a reminder of what we saw and present the new words for taste. Tomorrow we're going to see more about that. Don't forget to bring at least six candy. I think I asked you. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow and have a very good day.